If you feel like Google Chrome has been slowing down, don't worry. There are simple ways to make it faster and more efficient. In this video, we'll cover practical tips to speed up Chrome in 2025 and improve your browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, start by managing your tabs and extensions. Too many open tabs can slow Chrome down, so close ones you don't need, or use the tab grouping feature to organize them. Extensions are powerful, but can also affect performance, so disable or remove any that you rarely use. Chrome also has a task manager you can access from the menu to see which tabs or extensions consume the most memory. Next, improve performance by clearing cache and cookies regularly. Over time, stored data can accumulate and slow down page loading. Go to Chrome settings and clear browsing data to refresh the browser. Enabling hardware acceleration in the advanced settings allows Chrome to use your computer's GPU for smoother performance, especially for videos and graphics-heavy websites. Another tip is to enable preloading of pages. Chrome can predict which links you might click next and load them in the background, making navigation feel faster. You can also disable unnecessary animations or features in Chrome / flags for more advanced tweaks. For users with multiple devices, turning on sync ensures that bookmarks, history, and extensions are optimized across all devices, saving time and reducing redundant processes. Finally, keeping Chrome updated to the latest version is crucial. Google regularly improves performance, security, and speed with each update, so automatic updates should always be enabled. By managing tabs, extensions, cache, preloading, and hardware acceleration, you can significantly speed up Chrome and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and browser tutorials.